In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Google Sites. If you've already built your site in Google Sites and you want it to look more professional with your own custom domain, this process is fairly simple. We'll be working inside Google Sites first, where you begin the domain connection process, and then you can continue with the domain setup from there. To get started, open your Google site and make sure you're on the site you want to connect to your domain. It's a good idea to double check that you're editing the correct site before making any domain changes, especially if you manage more than one project. Once you're inside the site editor, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Google Sites keeps several important configuration options, including the one we need for custom domain setup. In the settings panel, click on Custom Domains. This section is specifically designed for linking your Google site to a domain you already own. If this is your first time doing this, don't worry. Google will guide you through the setup flow one step at a time. Next, click on Connect Domain. This tells Google Sites that you want to attach an existing domain to this website. At this point, you're starting the actual connection process, rather than just viewing domain settings. Now, enter your Namecheap domain in the field provided. Be careful to type the domain correctly, since even a small typo can prevent the setup from working properly. If you're using a specific version of the domain, such as a subdomain, make sure you enter exactly what you intend to connect. After entering the domain, click Next. This moves you forward in the setup and allows Google to prepare the connection details for your site. At this stage, take a moment to review what you entered before continuing beyond the setup screen. Accuracy matters with domain connections, and getting the domain name right at the start can save you troubleshooting later. One helpful tip is to keep both Google Sites and your Namecheap account accessible while doing this, since domain connections often involve confirming settings between the website platform and the domain registrar. Also remember that domain-related updates can sometimes take a little time to fully apply, so if the connection doesn't appear instantly, that's completely normal. And that's how to begin connecting your Namecheap domain to Google Sites. Follow each prompt carefully, enter your domain accurately, and you'll be well on your way to publishing your site under your own custom web address.